I'm Ethan. Welcome to my channel, everyone. I'm your host.
And my name is Mia. Hey, Ethan. Super happy to be here with you today.
Seriously, it's great to have you. And to all listeners, welcome.
Yep, whether you're at home, work, or just chilling somewhere, thanks for joining us.
So, Mia, tell me, how's your day going?
Pretty good, actually. I went for a walk this morning.
Oh, nice. Seriously? That sounds refreshing.
Yep, the park was calm, green, and full of people doing different things.
That actually connects perfectly to today's topic.
Oh, really? What are we talking about?
Hobbies, the things we love in our free time.
Oh, wow. I love that idea. Hobbies are super important.
Why do you think hobbies matter so much?
Seriously? They help us relax. Life isn't just work or study.
Yep, true.
When I do hobbies, I feel like my brain gets a break, like a mini vacation.
A vacation for the mind. Nice.
I actually love watching old movies.
Oh, seriously? Old black and white ones?
Yep, they feel cozy and peaceful. I usually watch them alone with popcorn.
Popcorn makes everything better, honestly. I like action movies more, though.
Of course you do.
Also, I like cooking, but I'm not perfect at it.
Oh, really?
Last time I made a cake, I used salt instead of sugar.
Seriously?
Yep, it was terrible. Total disaster.
That's a strong learning experience, Ethan.
And what about childhood hobbies?
I used to draw everywhere, even walls sometimes.
Seriously?
Yep, my parents were not happy.
I collected toy cars, like 50 of them.
Wow, seriously? That's a whole parking lot.
Before we end, any tip for listeners?
Yes, make English your hobby.
Oh, seriously? That's a great one.
Yep, watch, listen, and enjoy English in daily life.
That's actually powerful advice. All right, everyone, that's it for today.
Seriously, hope you enjoyed it.
Yep, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your hobbies.
We'd love to hear from you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.